Engineers and designers create because it's in their DNA. And because they never say, "That's impossible," they often create things the world didn't even know it needed. It all starts with a problem to solve. And the faster you get the what-ifs and why-nots out of your head, the better. Their ability to work anytime, anywhere, on any device is essential. Now it's time to add the meat to the bones of your ideas, where reality begins to raise her ugly head. The devil really is in the details. Testing and analyzing creations before spending precious dollars on prototyping is paramount. As iterations change, you need to be able to archive them automatically so that everyone on the team has the most current version. The electrical schematics are fundamental to the solution, so they should integrate seamlessly into the 3D model. At any point, you can start to create your documentation for partners and manufacturers. We make it easy to share designs and ideas with your extended team, even if they aren't engineers or CAD users. Realistic renderings can be created at any stage to put in front of the client, so that decisions can be made quicker and easier. Collaboration is key to rapid design, and SOLIDWORKS has 2.2 million users that you can reach out to across the global community. When designers work this way, the results can be stunning. And the savings on the development cycle time, staggering. From brainstorming to manufacturing, there's one tool to help you every step of the way. Welcome to your solution. Welcome to SOLIDWORKS.